Ready to ditch your desktop and dominate the crypto markets using just your iPad? Let's dive into mastering Photon trading, optimized for your iPad's touch interface. First, head over to the App Store and search for Photon Trading. Tap Get and then install to download the app to your iPad. Once installed, tap Open to launch Photon. You'll land on Photon's home screen. Notice the clear layout. The main sections, like markets to explore different trading pairs, trades to view your portfolio and open orders, and settings to customize your preferences, are easily accessible with a tap. To start trading, tap on Markets and select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, like Bitcoin versus US dollar. This will bring up the trading chart. The chart displays real-time price action below. You'll find the buy and sell buttons. Take advantage of the iPad screen by using two fingers to zoom in and out, and analyze the chart more closely. Tap either buy or sell. This brings up the order entry screen. Choose your order type, like a market order for immediate execution, or a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price. Enter the amount you want to trade. Double-check all the details of your order. Once you're satisfied, tap Place Order. Depending on your settings, you may need to confirm the trade. To monitor your trades, tap on the Trades tab here. You'll see your open orders and a history of your completed trades. Use the iPad screen to easily scroll through your trading activity. Now you are all set to trade on your iPad. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photon trading tips.